Let's talk about some of the amazing amenities that Bird Key has to offer. For starters, its very own yacht club. So the Bird Key Yacht Club is a full-service marina. They've got an Olympic-sized swimming pool, waterfront dining, hard true tennis courts, and in fact, they even have reciprocal memberships for golf. To the west, there's St. Armand's with all of the dining and fun boutique shops that has to offer, or to the east, you're in downtown Sarasota proper with meet friends, be active, and love where you live. I'm often asked, what is the premier location if you're a boater or maybe a fisherman, maybe you have a sailboat, something like that. And without a doubt, my first response is always Bird Key. New construction is happening all the time because the fact is, they're not making any more land here on Bird Key, so the lots are at an extreme premium. Some of the amazing home sites here on Bird Key, you're going to have your choice of canal homes, bay view, so obviously bayfront view, nothing obstructing your view. You're looking out over across the open water of the Sarasota Bay. Canal, where you're probably going to look across, you'll have your boat behind you as well, and then there are certainly garden lots. There are a few very distinct architectural styles. So obviously the homes that were built originally on the island around the 1950s, something we would call mid-century modern, smaller single-family homes, single-level homes, straight lines, very, very unique to that time period. Then, fast forward, you also have the contemporary style, which is signified by clean lines, a really boxy, light white, stark white almost construction, kind of what you see behind me here. And then, of course, my favorite, which is the British West Indies style, which is signified by clean white walls, dark, deep wood accents, low roof profiles, very much in character with what's behind me here in this home. I just love that style. It's still got some modern features to it with clean lines and definitely some boxiness to it, not real rolly like the Mediterranean style, but it's kind of a hybrid, and it's something that really is popular in construction these days and also really fits the character of island life here on Bird Key. From a pricing standpoint, the price ranges are going to range everywhere from, call it $800,000 on up to just over $6 million, at least currently. And what the $800,000 will get you is probably an outdated home on a non-water touching lot, so what we would call like a garden lot. A lot of those homes are being reconstructed, they're being knocked down and then rebuilt. Warmed up a little bit, had to get rid of that outer layer. So one of the cool things about Bird Key is just outside of the neighborhood proper is actually a Bird Key Park. Open to the public, of course, great parking spots, place to take your kayak or your paddleboard. Even dogs can retrieve frisbees and balls there. Thanks for coming along on our tour of Bird Key today. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds of what's available right here on this little island just outside of downtown Sarasota. If you have any interest, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Jeff Hinrichs with Michael Saunders & Company, 941-456-1251. And if you would, like and subscribe to the channel, click the little bell so that you can be notified anytime a new video comes out, because I will be creating valuable content just like this on a weekly basis. Till next time.